Yeah. Y'all, I'm gonna do Pilates too, I guess.
Yes. Yeah, you can just
No,
share.
you're not a girl, stupid.
Oh, I thought that was.
Okay.
Listen, did you like your gift, baby boy?
Chili, yes.
Did you like it, baby boy? Let me see. You like it?
It's like where you do like stretching and flexing and stuff.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Those are 3, so
Show her.
you can make a big butt.
Show her.
What? I hear you.
Show
Is
her.
that
That's
fit?
a Nike pose.
Is that fit?
Yeah.
Not.
Probably.
You don't get large because your
This is
large
large.
size. I thought medium.
Kuya!
Did I get large?
No,
Not
I
medium.
think I know what this is.
Oh
Here you
gosh.
Go. I think I know what
Oh
this
yeah,
is.
no. I checked that. It's small size. Look. Yeah, because you wanna build muscle.
Another one.
You wanna build muscle. You like it? That's your mat. So you can use.
What is that?
That's Quessy Jane. Ah, no, that's yours, baby boy. That's yours. Open it. Did you like your short and shirt?
I
They're
think I
set.
know who this is for.
So when you go on vacation, you can put your own stuff. And Candice has too.
I got more bloom, you losers.
That's yours. Di ba you like root beer? So you put on your room, you just drink once a day, okay? That's mommy's treat for you.
Okay, you got bloom, I got beer.
Oh, baby boy, baby boy. Baby boy.
Quit it.
Open
Quit
it.
it, tell me.
Are you excited?
It's a girl.
I can't find anyone to see a pink thing.
What is this?
Yes, that's yours.
What is this?
Open it. Oh my gosh, can you help him to open? Yeah.
I got
It's a hot
underwear.
sauce. It's a hot sauce. Kaylee, can you help? Baby boy. No! Open it! You think it's fit to you now? I get small because you like
I have a
tight.
feeling I know what this is too.
What is
Okay?
it?
Oh, it's this
So it's
one.
actually Coke.
The drinks is put on your room, so you get your own, okay?
That's for you. This is also for
Baby
you.
boy, you don't like mommy's gift for you? You don't even opening. CJ, can you help him?
Okay, give me it. I can't.
This is cool for my hair.
Yeah. No, for your beard, tanga.
No, I don't want to see my beard.
Huh? No, your face.
Oh yeah.
If it's over your beard in here, tie.
Mom, who's this for?
Jacob, what is this?
Baby boy, let him open. Let him open.
No.
Let him open. Open it, baby. That's my special gift for you.
Yo, there's a present.
Yo, what is that?
Open the box. Open the box first.
Yeah! Oh my god!
My God.
What's that?
Oh,
What did you
I'm gonna show
get?
Daddy. I'm gonna show Daddy.
Let me see. Show them what you got. What you got? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is that your one?
Yeah.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
I think all of these are Jake's boobs.
What
Does
is
it say
that?
Jake? Does it say baby boy?
Yes, baby boy. Baby boy,
Jacob, this is yours. Jacob, this is yours. No, I don't know who this is.
That's yours, I guess. Yes, that's
Just
yours.
8.
You think they're fit to your neck? I get,
I
yeah.
think I got more underwear.
Because you always like the Walmart. That was better. That's why I don't want you to buy a lot.
Oh, this is not for us.
Oh, that's for my friend.
Yeah.
You like your treats, drinks?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm joking that.
Did you open the other one, the heavy one?
Mommy, I got the bee family.
What the? It's in there, oh.
Oh.
Mommy, I got the bee family.
Ooh.
You like it? Oh, did you already have the bag? Did you already have the bee bag?
Yes, we got the 10 pound.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, did I buy two?
Oh, this is actually good.
No, that's. No.
Like not. Because since you like build muscle,
That.
so I buy you gym one. Careful. So you get
You can get some 4 on
you get your own mat. You Mahal! Where's your daddy? Mahal! Mahal!
What is that? Boy? Oh, I don't care. Hold on.
Mahal!
Mom, these are totally so easy to lift.
Careful. Don't play that like that because it's dangerous. Is that fit or no? Where's your daddy? Darling!
He's taking a poo.
Okay. Oh, don't play like that, baby boy, okay? You like it? It's too
Yes.
tight.
No, I like tight.
Should we bring it back?
No, I like tight.
Are you sure? So you have your own mat and exercise. Is that fit to you, the small? Look, open it one, just in case. But I know I looked the Nike first before I bought that. Their size is kind of small. Oh, you have a B family. You like the color because it's all white and something, you know. It's too tight. Yeah. Is that too tight? Good. You like the size, yeah.
Where's Daddy?
I don't know.
Take a poo.
He's so busy. Busy yung mga anak ko guys na regalo.
He's probably watching
Do you like your gift? This is reversible.
It's not juicy good to it.
Juicy good too.
Is that Nike Pros?
Did you see? Do you have your own bag for when we go in vacation to travel, or you go with grandma at the Hershey Park? The bag, yes.
Yes.
And Jacob has one too. You can put your own dress, your own stuff. And the pocket, you can put the phone. Isn't that cool? Jacob has a green one.
What?
Baby boy, where's your bag? You got a green one, right?
No, I got this.
No, this, that kind.
Which kind? This one?
You didn't open. Oh, do you like your shark, the blanket, baby boy? That's your shark blanket. You put yourself inside. Come here. Let me open it for you.
Kelly, here you go.
Let me open for you, baby boy.
Any scissors?
Give me that. Give me that. Let me open for you. You see? Show them. You go inside.
Get it.
Ito guys, regalo kay baby boy. Yeah. Yours, it's a touch on you. You like it?
Yeah.
And you put also...
Mine's so easy.
No,
Mine's so easy.
you can put also in your ankle. It doesn't, it's hurt you. You
Did
think,
you see the veins
no,
already?
you put inside
Mommy, look.
your body here.
Mommy.
You see the
Mommy,
forearm?
look.
Yeah,
Look at the veins.
yeah.
Wait, let me try. I have veins too. In my day.
What do you think? You like your
Yeah.
Christmas and New Year's gift? I was thinking you want to build muscle and Kaylee's too. You like
Yeah,
yours,
I'm gonna do
Kaylee?
some Pilates.
Yeah.
I don't know what Pilates are. I think it's
Papalaki na raw sila ng muscle, guys. Mga anak ko. Kaya yung regalo ko silang pang gym. Baby boy!
Yeah, I'm gonna put these on.
Be careful, please. The mat.
taking these off.
Take care of everything, the box.
Yeah, though.
You like it?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, so you have your own gym, okay? Mahal, you didn't see my present to them. Watch. Love She. Look at my present to them. No. And they have own mat, and CJ have own shave. I said shave. I'm not gonna take it off my beard.
Mommy, doesn't really fit. Mommy,
I can do that.
mommy, mommy.
Too. It tickles.
It doesn't.
Tickles. What did he say? Tickles? Really?
I'm gonna use that my right hand.
Oh. What else? What else? Which one you gonna use? It's hard?
That's what it is.
That's okay if you feel hurt. Ayan, hakot na naman, oh. Hakot na naman sila. Kanya-kanya na naman takbo sa kwarto, guys, oh. Baby boy, let's see your gift. Did you like it? Show daddy. Mahal, do you like my gift to Jacob? Look. That's your blanket.
Doesn't fit.
No, it's a blanket.
Daddy,
It's a
I'm gonna be
blanket.
charged
It's
up.
supposed to. Mahal, oh.
George, no,
Mahal,
yeah,
oh.
let's go.
That's too much? Okay, give one to Daddy.
That's just like gut health soda.
Yeah, it's like no.
Probiotic.
I got.
Probiotic,
Look what
yeah.
I got for myself.
That one, it's a monster. It's a with the caffeine. I didn't buy that.
I got 2 sets of underwear.
Daddy, I got hot sauce.
What you don't like?
Hey, you got hot sauce? Nice.
What up? Open it.
Yeah. That's just,
Wait, there's.
love
You
siya.
want to try Daddy's hot sauce?
That's yours. That's yours. Open it, baby. Kuya CJ and Ate Kaylee has one. You like your Hello Kitty, baby girl?
Underwear.
Love siya. She like contour. Juicy contour.
Contour. I like contour.
He doesn't want to open the box, darling. And then when he open, he's so
I
happy.
can't get the money
The
out.
hot sauce?
Yeah.
I'll put it out for you.
Okay.
Daddy, you might have to do something before you get this.
Oh, from now on, you save your money. So you have money to go travel.
We'll go open it up.
What?
No,
When?
Daddy.
we gotta get this cleaned up first.
Mahal. He ignored that. He thinking you just box hot sauce. I said, open
That
it.
was the 3D printer stuff.
Yeah, wait.
Thinking that felt kind of heavy for 3D printer.
Yeah. when Jacob see the card, he kept ignoring. He kept throwing the box.
I'm lucky to try.
You see? You see? Mahal, they're harvesting their stuff, bring to the room. Ay guys, nakakunti yung mga anak yung regalo nila, oh. Tinakot na sa kwarto nila. Jenja kita, hello, Happy New Year. Oh, daming present. Happy New Year. Oh, ganito kasi talaga kami. Yung mga anak ko, kahit naghihirap kami, guys. Pasko't bagong taon, kailangan marami silang buksan. O kaya pag hindi, malulungkot sila yung mga anak ko. Kasi nasanay na silang ganun ako sa kanila. Eh. Kaya tatrabaho ko kahit may sakit ako. Para mabigay ko yung ano namin nakasanayan nila. Tsaka anak ko naman hindi maarte sila, guys. Pag wala, nagantayan sila. Nagtitiis sila pag wala. Pagka, basta yung Pasko't bagong taon, hindi pwedeng mawawala, guys. Kasi, hindi mo yan mapipigilan eh. Yung birthday, pwede mong, ano yan eh, i-adjust. Pero yung Pasko't bagong taon, hindi natin yan pwedeng sabihin, next year na lang. Next year na lang. Wala pa. Hindi mo pwede eh. Diba? Salamat. Salamat sa inyo.
Guys,
Ayun.
thank you for watching. Salamat po.
Baby girl.
Merry New Year's Eve. I mean, Merry New Year.
Yeah, thank you
Happy
so
New Year's.
Happy New Year's,
Thank you
everyone.
for the support. Let's make it a great year this year.
Yes, that's good. Thank you. Ayan. Mga anak ko, kahit marami silang natatanggap na regalo, guys, hindi yan sila, yung pag hindi okasyon, magpipilit na bumili, ibili mo ko ng ganyan, mami. Hindi sila ganun, guys. Hi, guys. This is my Ming Ming. Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year, Ming. Say Happy New Year. Ming, Happy New Year. Gagawa wala si Ming Ming eh. Hindi yan sila maano yung mga anak ko, guys. Basta't Pasko at bagong taon, kailangan kahit na wala akong wala, guys. Ginagawan ko talaga ng paraan. Salamat, may mga kaibigan akong laging nandyan para sa akin. Yung anak ko si Koreano sa Korea, masaya siya kasi Happy New Year sa inyo yan. Galing pa akong trabaho niyan, tapos nagluto ko, dami ko niluto. Wala mang kakain kami lang. Naglechon ako kasi paborito ng anak ko eh. Tsaka ako din, paborito ko rin yun eh. Kaya naglechon ako ng malaki. Ayan, galing pa ako ng trabaho, pagdating nagluto. Tapos yung kagabi natapos ako magbalot ng regalo nila. Maghapon ako namili. Alauna na ako nakatulog kagabi. Tapos pumasok pa ako kanina umaga.
Daddy needs
Wala
receipt
kailangan.
for the Minecoin card.
Why? What's wrong?
He's trying to put it into my Minecraft account.
Oh, you need a receipt?
Yeah. What?
I don't know. Go look there. Give me my wallet. I hope it's in there.
To put it in.
Talagang pinaghahandaan namin guys. Kaya talagang kahit na I think it's not the right one. Wait. Yep, that's the right one. Kaya talagang pinaghahandaan ko yan kasi taon-taon yan guys. Kahit wala akong regalo talaga wala. Asawa ko nga wala din. Pero yung mga anak ko meron. Kasi may tusok yung pa ako kanina. Ko nakatapak yata ako. Yan sakit daw. Makalakad. Trabaho pa ako. Nag-drive pa ako sa kliyente ko. Kaya umuwi na lang ako diretso kasi magluluto pa nga ako. Tinasa ng mga bata yung palaro. Ayan, kami lang lagi Pasko at Bagong Taon guys. Pero masaya naman. Naintindihan naman ng mga anak ko. Sanay na sila. Di ko na maantay. Alam mo yung may mga apo na ako. Ang dami na nila. Gastos lalo. Pero masaya. Masaya. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Ayan, nag-enjoy yung mga anak ko. Kasi taon-taon talaga yon. Kaya nga, nitong sabi ko, no choice. Kasi ang daming problemang dumating. Kaya sabi ko, no choice. Sabi na naman ako sa kaibigan ko. Buti na lang may friend ako lagi nandyan. Thank you, me. Yan. Yan, lagi nandyan. Kaya, wag natin sirain yung tiwala ng kaibigan natin. Nang sa ganon, makaulit-ulit tayo. Yun lang. Kasi mahirap pag nagpakasira tayo sa tao. Wala nang magtitiwala sa atin. Ang sarap kaya yung yung hindi mo na kailangan magmakaawa para magsabi. Yung minsan ikaw nang kusang inaalok. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam nun. Kumbaga may tiwala sa'yo talaga. Kaya wag natin sirain yung tiwala natin. Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi. Yan. Anong oras na ngayon? Ay, Diyos mio, 1:30 na. Launa naman tulog ko. Kagabi, launa na. Launa na naman. Sa mga nabunot at sa hindi nabunot, pasensya na. Pero okay mag-alala. Kahit di kayo nabunot, nagbibigay naman ako sa inyo, di ba? Yung mga nabunot, yung first prize, congratulations sa inyo. Tsaka yung sa mga consolation, tsaka dun sa second prize, congrats po. Ayan. Sa mga hindi nabunot, pasensya na. Di ba, minsan nagpapaluro naman ako ng kung ano lang. Ito kasi special bagong taon tsaka Pasko. Nangako kasi ako, di ba, sabi ko, magbibigyan ulit ako ng bagong taon. Magbubunot tayo. Ayun, nabunot ko sila. Di ko alam kung sino. Mamaya titignan ko. Nilagyan ko na lang number. Binukod ko na yun sa baso. Sa baso. Ayan. Ayun, doon pala sa kabila. Ayun, nakukod na. Salamat ng marami sa inyo. Good night, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice evening. God bless you all. Love you. Pagod. Mukha akong hindi nagsuklay na 10 araw.